Hello everyone! Today we are going to create and repeat some beautiful card designs using only HTML and CSS. The first one is a block card. It has an image, a tag, a title, a short description, and the author's name. The second one is a profile card. It shows a person's photo, name, location, and several buttons that lead to social media links. We will write the HTML structure first, then style everything in CSS step by step. So let's start. Block cards. First, I open a div with the class wrapper. This will hold everything inside. Then I create another div with the class cards. This is the main card. Inside the card, I add an image with image code. This is the top picture. Next, I create div class content. All text will go here. Then I add a span with class tag. This is the hello tag. Below that, I write the date and open paragraph with class date. After that, I add the title with HTML2. Then a small description inside. I open the paragraph with class this. It explains the topic shortly. At the bottom, I create a div class other with the other's image and name. And I open image code and open paragraph with strong. Then I close all divs. So next CSS part. In the body, I set the background color to yellow. Remove default margins and choose the font. The wrapper is used to position the card in the center of the screen. In the card, I set a white background width of 360 pixels, rounded corners, and a box shadow. To center the card, I use position, absolute, and top 50%, left to 50%, and transform to 50-50%. This places the card exactly in the middle without flex or grid. For the image, I set with 100% and rounded corners. The tag class has a yellow background, bold text, and small padding to look like a label. The other image has border radius 50% to make it circular. So next task, last task, profile card. I start with a div class container. This is the main box. Then I add a profile image with image code. After that, I write the name inside and open div class paragraph 2. Next line, I write div class paragraph first, and then I add a short description inside div class paragraph third. Now I create the buttons with links using the A tag, and then I copy it for the others: Foundant, Mentor, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Each one works like a button but also opens a link in a new tab. In the body, so next part with CSS part. In the body, I set the background to black and centered the text with text align center. The contour has a dark background, rounded corners, and some padding on top. The image is made circular with border radius 50%. The paragraph 2, paragraph 1st, and paragraph 3rd classes control the colors and font sizes of the text. Finally, the B10 class makes the links look like buttons. I use display block, set width and height, and background color, white text, rounded corners, and remove the underline with text decoration none. The margin centers the buttons and adds space between them.